used PPM powder filler with weight control, and it can also run in volumetric mode. It's got a relatively small set of tooling, but we can manufacture other tooling to suit your application. Optionally, there is a used a vacuum extraction for dust extraction at the fill point. Also optionally, it's a large hopper elevator complete with dust hood and curtains that can feed it via the infeed and controlled by the level probe sensor if required. Run it on weight mode. It's at 380 grams. Used weight control powder filler in superb condition.